Have your friends ever showed you a picture of their adorable little baby in an ultrasound and it just looks strange? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to read this. Hi, I'm Brittany Wickham and I'm a science interpreter here at the Franklin Institute. Today, I'm going to show you one of the unique things that you can do here as a visitor. We have an ultrasound machine and I'm going to show you exactly how to read this. With an ultrasound, there's a high frequency sound that bounces off of parts of your body and tells your doctors how thick or thin an object in your body is. So let's start by looking inside of our arm. When we wiggle our fingers, those are actually attached to long muscle bands. So I'm going to use the transducer and a little bit of jelly. And our medical jelly here is used to get rid of any air gaps and to help us see our image nice and clearly. Now we can see stripes here. The darker colors are fluids, so that's most likely my blood. And the lighter colors are muscles and bones. Watch as I move my fingers here. I'm moving my pointer finger and you can see one band of muscle or one stripe of white moving. I can move my middle finger, my ring finger, and my pinky, and we can see that they're all connected to little bands of muscles. So this is one thing we can use ultrasounds for. Okay, as I'm talking, again, we can see those dark areas, mostly black. Again, that's either gonna be the air inside of my throat or blood. The white areas are the bone and the muscle. You can see my voice box opening and closing as I'm talking. And so when you're looking at an ultrasound of a new baby, first, act like it's adorable. That's what they want you to say. Second, that white area, that's the baby that you're actually looking at. So if you'd like to see your arm or vocal cords at the Franklin Institute, swing by the Giant Heart exhibit. My name is Brittany. Thanks for tuning in for Spark of Science.